Yeah, just about go get one massage. I already got a place right here. I just had to get an SD card. The guy was all good outside. I'm back. I come get how much for a full body? One time massage.
Thai massage นี่แหละ
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Take from first massage. I don't want no happy ending either. I'm not getting oil. Fuck, I hate oil. So shut off.
1 hour 2 hour
1 hour.
1 hour
What? 200?
Huh?
200.
2 hour
No, 1 hour 200. Straight.
Okay no
No, I won't put you. No. Wait.
Okay, action.
I'll wait for someone. Big boss.
Okay, you can take the massage.
Massage.
1 hour 200.
1 hour 200.
One, get the massage. On the world to Khat Yai people. What happened? Malaysia people. Okay.
That video fell through, but the owner of the massage parlor wants to drink Kratom again. This is my last time, my last video making one, but you know, people have been asking me for it, so that's us. We'll do it with the massage man. So I ended up, got some Kratom outside the massage place. So now we're drinking. There's bird's nest soup up here. Right here. Go try some. Sorry, Carp. Can I try bird's nest? First we go.
Hot or cold?
What's the best? Okay. She's doing a cold one. That's the bird's nest here. Open Carp. What's these things in it?
McQuaid,
McQuaid.
Business.
Okay. And then this bird's nest. Okay. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. I don't know. I don't know if I like that. Tastes like iced tea kind of with I think those are those preserved plums that there were, but the bird's nest doesn't have any flavor. I don't know, it tastes like, I don't think the bird nest has thing in it. It just tastes like kind of like iced tea or herbal jelly. Oh, I don't know. I don't. Actually, this is the first thing I don't think I can eat. But I don't want to be rude. I don't want to be rude. Oh, I can't eat that. That's the truth. Okay, I'm never eating bird's nest soup again.